You know, it's way too hot here in Thailand, that's why I needed a tank top. It's my new tank top, which I bought just in Phuket. It's the first time today I'm wearing it. I like it.
Yeah, congratulations.
Honey. I really like this tank top. It's my new tank top. K.O.B. K.O.B. King of Bread. Today's breakfast spot. Because we really can't see rice anymore. Right? What's up? Are you hungry or what? Could you repeat that, please?
Ich kann nicht ein bisschen Porridge essen.
It's my porridge.
Ich weiß, aber ich hatte nur so ein kleines.
So I ordered egg and cheese croissant, iced caramel macchiato, and also porridge, which got just overtaken by Fabienne. She had already toasted hummus, but finished it and is still hungry. Bye bye. Great breakfast, wasn't it great?
Was?
Finally something different than rice every morning.
Yeah.
But it was so good not to have rice for breakfast today. And the King of Bread spot was really good, so we can recommend that one. And we are here now close to the fisherman's village, which we're walking through right now because it was close to our breakfast spot. And just walking around and checking this wonderful place out. And to be honest, we don't really have a plan for today, so just driving around and explore Koh Samui. So this is Fisherman's Village behind me and in front of me, or in front of us. And as you can see, there's nobody on the streets except for us. Fisherman's Village right here in Koh Samui is one of the famous touristic spots. And as you can see nothing. Back there, room for rent. This restaurant right over here, empty. I mean, even the restaurants here in the Fisherman's Village, closed. Most of them are closed. Check this out. Totally empty. No one is here. Guys, where are the tourists? No tourists here. Look at this beautiful bar here. I mean, here are some people at least. But right here, it's just sad. I should apply some sun lotion because I can already feel the sun on my skin and...
It's for babies.
And this one? Do you want to get something else?
Member card Big C?
No.
So we are right over here. We had breakfast this morning somewhere around here and we've been here to the Fisherman's Village. And we now want to explore the island, some of these waterfalls, but we're just cruising around and don't have really a plan for today. Either we don't know which waterfall to go. To which waterfall you want to go? It seems like it's raining maybe in a couple of minutes, honey. You never know here on Koh Samui when it's raining or when it's sunshine. But when it's raining, then just for a couple of minutes. Like yesterday. It was heavy rain, but just for a couple of minutes. Can we go now? Oh, but before we go, we need to apply sun lotion. Honey, I need to apply sun lotion. It's already... Somebody come.
Yeah.
What?
You want to go by walk or cable car?
By walk.
You walk 10 minutes or we have a lift to take you up. That's included. The entry is 100 baht both ways.
Okay.
You walk less only 1 minute to the station. There we have also the
Zip line?
zip line. You want to play? You want to fly high up in the sky?
How much is that?
Mountain to mountain. That's 800 baht. And this is show.
We wanted to go to the waterfall. That was the actual plan for today and just to explore the island. But we saw on our way on the road this Lamai Viewpoint. We stopped by and it looks really beautiful. And for the entrance we paid 50 baht.
Hier ist der Fischspa noch drin, deine Füße da reinhalten will. Are you doing the fish spa?
Yes, I'm doing it. Why not? I mean, it's included in the entrance fee.
Super weird.
I've never done it before. So here's a fish spa. There are fish in the water. Let's try this out. I'm a little bit scared.
Los!
I really can't do that.
Mach jetzt!
Oh no, I can't do that.
Warum?
I can't do that, honey. I'm afraid. I don't know. I'm a little bit scared. Do it first and then it's me. They won't eat your feet. She has to do it first because I'm really afraid.
Stimmt.
Are you really doing it? No.
Natürlich, was denn echt?
I don't know. They're already waiting for you. You really doing it? Oh my god, she's doing it. She's doing it.
Kommt ja gar keiner.
Deeper. Deeper, honey.
Das hat gekitzelt. Bist du dran?
No. You
Oh.
need to sit down and put both feet in. Sit down. What have they done?
Die haben das eigentlich nur berührt, aber irgendwie was
They
komisch.
just touched your feet.
Ja.
Okay, we're doing it together.
Ja.
I can't do
Mach
it.
einfach. Guck mal, ich komm da nicht.
Yeah, I can't do it. I don't know.
Mach doch einfach, das tut nicht weh.
I couldn't do it. I don't know why. I was so scared. Honey, I feel bad now for not doing it.
Das hat einfach nur gekitzelt.
I know, but it's such a weird feeling to put in your feet in the water when fish are... They're already waiting for you in the water. Oh, a new feed. Let's eat it. Wait for me. I just couldn't do it, Chocolate. I don't know why. I was so afraid of it. Maybe when we go back down. Oh, wow. Sawadee Krap. Welcome to Lamai Viewpoint. Whew.
Here.
Yeah, okay. Whoa. Ah, this must be the zip line here.
Ja.
Lamai Viewpoint. This is not the top, the final top. There's one more floor. One more, right? There's... Okay. Are we the only ones here? Seems like... Ooh,
Cool.
nice view. So this, right over here is Lamai and we staying here at Chao Vang, which is behind here. Today are not the best weather conditions to fly a drone, but have you seen the view? I mean, come on, need to fly my drone up here. Just need to change the ND filter here because today it's not that sunny. I think ND4 should do the job. Just go a little bit back, please. You need to go out of the safety zone.
Warte.
Have the potato inside.
Yeah. Thank you.
Where you get
I just couldn't do it. I couldn't do the fish spa. I don't know why, but I couldn't do it. Anyway, we're now getting something to eat. It is just 5:30. We are already having dinner because we really need to go to bed early today. Because when is the plan to wake up tomorrow? 5?
I teach you how to eat.
How is it?
Amazing. Das ist richtig lecker.
Really?
Aha. Masaman.
Masaman curry.
Yeah.
Masaman curry. And I got fried cashew nuts, steamed rice, and we got spring rolls as well. We always order spring rolls. I mean, come on, spring rolls in Thailand, just the best what you can order. Oh, and by the way, we are right now at Nana's kitchen. Bubble tea and coffee. Need to try that out. I've never seen it before, honey.
Let's try, but I think you like it.
Yeah?
Yes.
I've never seen it before.
Yeah, try.
It's a bubble tea and coffee, right?
Yeah, bubble under and then the coffee with coffee. You
Okay.
mix little bit
Yeah,
and
okay, okay.
taste. Mix. It's different. You can taste not sweet for sure. I don't do. นี่นะคะ enjoy yourself.
ขอบคุณครับ Thank you very much. Bye bye. Bye.
Soll ich mal fahren? Dann kannst du
Das-
den Tee trinken.
No. This is the reason why you get this handle for your coffee. Because most of the people here driving a scooter. And when you want to get something to drink, you can easily put it on your handle of the scooter and you can drive.
See you tomorrow.
And the coffee made it safely back to the hotel. That's the reason for the handle. Every day is wonderful, and today is my most favorite day because it's today.
He's talking so much bullshit the whole way.
And you can't say that in the videos, no.